Midday market update. Dow jumps over 300 points. Everquote shares plunge. Analysis. http://ntvforex.com News ID 764D3C85 2025 15:50 p.m. Midway through trading Wednesday, the Dow traded up 1.19% to 27,146.99 while the NASDAQ rose 0.25% to 10,968.86. The S&amp also rose, gaining 0.54% to 3,324.27. The U.S. has the highest number of coronavirus cases and deaths in the world, reporting a total of 4,771,840 cases with around 156,850 deaths. Brazil confirmed a total of over 2,801,920 COVID-19 cases with 95,810 deaths, while India reported a total of at least 1,908,250 confirmed cases and 39,790 deaths. In total, there were at least 18,566,760 cases of COVID-19 worldwide with over 701,270 deaths, according to data compiled by Johns Hopkins University. Leading and lagging sectors. Materials shares gained 2.3% on Wednesday. Meanwhile, top gainers in the sector included NBSP Freeport-McMoRan Incorporated NBSP FCX 8.18%, up 10%, and NBSP OI Glass, Inc. NBSP OI 8.29%, up 10%. In trading on Wednesday, utilities shares fell by 1.6%. Top headline: CVS Health Corp NBSP CVS 1.35%. NBSP reported stronger than expected results for its second quarter and raised its guidance. The company reported quarterly earnings of $2.64 per share, exceeding analysts' estimates of $1.92 per share. The company reported quarterly sales of $65.30 billion, beating analysts' estimates of $64.18 billion. CVS said it now expects FY20 adjusted EPS of $7.14 $7.27 versus prior guidance of $7.04 $7.17. Equities trading up. MYOS Rens Technology Incorporated NBSP MYOS 53.09%. NBSP shares shot up 52% to $1.89 after the company reported a narrower loss for the second quarter. Shares of NBSP Live Person, Inc. NBSP LPSN 22.46%. NBSP got a boost, shooting 21% to $56.08 after the company reported better than expected Q2 sales and raised its FY20 guidance. KeyBank, Benchmark, and Needham also raised their price targets on the stock. Keytronic Corporation NBSP KTCC 22.92%. NBSP shares were also up, gaining 25% to $9.02 after the company reported a year-over-year rise in Q4 earnings and sales. The company also said it expects FY21 EPS of $18.25 and sales of $118 million $125 million. Equities trading down. Vapotherm, Inc. NBSP VAPO 40.22%. NBSP shares tumbled 39% to $32.25 after the company reported Q2 results and issued Q3 sales guidance. Shares of NBSP New Relic, Inc. NBSP NEWR 24.01%. NBSP were down 26% to $54.62 after the company issued weak Q2 EPS guidance. JP Morgan also downgraded the company's stock from overweight to neutral and lowered its price target from $72 to $61. Everquote, Inc. NBSP Ever 17.36%. NBSP was down, falling 21% to $43 after the company reported worse than expected Q2 results and announced plans to acquire Crosspoint Insurance Advisors. Commodities. In commodity news, oil traded up 3.4% to $43.12, while gold traded up 1.8% to $2,058. Silver traded up 3.5% Wednesday to $26.94, while copper rose 1.1% to $2.9265. Eurozone European shares were higher today. The Eurozonia S&amp 600 rose 0.48%, the Spanish IBEX index rose 0.27%, while Italy's FTSE MIB index climbed 0.64%. Meanwhile, the German DAX 30 gained 0.43%, French CAC 40 rose 0.83% and UK shares rose 1.07%. Economics: U.S. private businesses hired 167,000 workers in July, versus a revised rise of 4.3 million in June. The U.S. trade deficit shrank to $50.7 billion in June versus $54.8 billion in the prior month. Exports rose 9.4%, while imports increased 4.7% for June. The IHS Market Services PMI rose to 50.0 in July versus a preliminary estimate of 49.6 and up from June's final reading of 47.9. The ISM non-manufacturing PMI climbed to 58.1 in July versus 57.1 in the prior month. U.S. crude stocks dropped 7.4 million barrels in the week ended July 31, the Energy Information Administration reported. Gasoline inventories gained 419,000 barrels, while distillate supplies rose 1.6 million barrels last week. Federal Reserve Bank of Cleveland President Loretta Mester is set to speak at 5:00 p.m. ET. If you want to read real-time news, text messages to MT5 Expert Advisors page at https://m.me/mt5.expert.advisors.